So I want to heat up cold pizza in the oven. So I have a cookie sheet, but I use Reynolds Parchment Paper. So this is the 45 square foot. This is the length of the pan. So I ripped off a piece. So now I'm going to place my pizza on this sheet, and it'll be a no mess. So now I have the oven set to 350 degrees. So we're going to keep it in the oven for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes. And then you'll see when I pull it out that it's virtually no mess on the pan. And there you go. No mess to clean up. We just got to throw away the parchment paper. So you can see all the grease is right here, and it's not on a pan. So literally we just throw away the sheet. There you go. No cleanup of the pan.